Studios, kay Tita Ibiang, sa mga napanood na nakita nyo, kaano kayo ka-excited na makita ito ng buong Pilipinas?
This is my first time to watch the film, so I'm very excited. Really talaga ako sa mga action plays and alam natin na panggaling ng mga artista na nandito. Kaya, of course, plus Richard Solis. So, I'm very, very excited.
Thank you, guys! Chair Liza!
Ako naman, sobrang special to sa heart ko kasi even when I was with FDCB, mula pitching pa lang ni Direk Richard, nasuportahan at nasundan ko talaga yung Toma. Talagang he gave us a very heartfelt reason kung bakit kailangan kami ng pelikula ito. So, to see it come to life, napanood ko siya sa Cannes, talagang it's great that it's finally coming home para mapanood yung lahat. So please, 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 sabay-sabay po natin i-enjoy ang Toma.
Maraming